Good morning, dear students. So, I welcome you in today's lecture. So, today we are going to discuss the topic comparison of adjectives. So, adjectives topic, this you are doing from your previous classes. Okay, so let me tell you that what is an adjective. Adjective is an word which we use to describe the other nouns. Okay, so these are also called describing words. For example, he is a good boy. Okay, so boy is here a noun. Okay, so we are just getting the more information with the help of adjective that he is a good boy. Okay, but here our topic is just to talk about that how adjectives are used to compare the things. Okay, so we have three degrees of comparison of adjectives. So one is positive, then it is comparative, then superlative. Okay, so positive degree is used when there is no any comparison with anyone else. Okay, so it is the simple form of adjectives, okay, where no comparison is intended. Okay, for example, Aruna is a clever girl. Okay, so comparative degree. Comparative degree from the name only it is very clear means to compare. Okay, so comparison. Okay, we use it to compare the two things. Okay, so it denotes a higher degree. Okay, a higher level than the positive degree. Okay, so it is used when two nouns are compared. Okay, so keep in mind that comparative degree you can use only for to compare the two nouns as they have given the example. Aruna is cleverer than Niti. Okay, now the third superlative. It denotes the highest quality. Highest means above all. It is used when more than two nouns are compared. The definite article the is used before an adjective in superlative degree, as Aruna is the cleverest girl in the class. Okay, so for here, if we want to compare two nouns, we have comparative degree. If we want to compare more than two, okay, then we use superlative degree. Okay, so one note is here, there is another way in which we can compare nouns. Instead of saying Aruna is cleverer than Niti, we can say like this also, Niti is less clever than Aruna. Second, the superlative with most is sometimes used where there is no idea of comparison, okay, but merely a desire to indicate the possession of quality in a very high degree, as it was the most eloquent speech. Okay, means it is not that compulsory that we have to use most with the only. Okay, if there is no any comparison and we just want to show the degree, okay, we just want to show the level, okay, we can still use, okay, most with a also. So here the simply they are just trying to show the level. It was a most eloquent speech, means well delivered speech. Okay, this usage has been called superlative of eminence or the absolute superlative. Okay, so whatever we have used now, okay, this situation, okay, this term is called absolute superlative or superlative of eminence. So the main thing, okay, now it starts, okay, that the formation of comparative and superlative degree. Okay, so you will get your notes, so these are very easy to understand, so you can just simply read from there. Okay, the rules, okay, which they have given, that we just simple add er and est. Okay, you might have done in your previous classes also. Okay, then when the positive end with e or e only, r and st are added. Okay, so here brave, voice, so we just add r. Okay, now when positive ends with y, preceded means just before the y, if there is a consonant, means other than vowel sound, the y is changed into I, adding er just as it is in happy. So before p, so before y we have p, which is a consonant. Okay, so we replaced y with ier and iest. So same is there in the wealthy. Okay, so when the positive word is of one syllable means sound, and end with a single consonant preceded by a short vowel, this consonant is doubled before adding er and est. Okay, so here the last letter D. Okay, so it is preceded by vowel E. Okay, so then the last consonant is made double, so we used double D. Same in here, hot, hotter. Okay, so take care of these rules. Okay, then when we have more than two syllables, so here we were talking about the one sound, red, hot, so we can speak in one time only. But if the word is having more than two syllables, and many of those with two forms form the comparative by using the adverb more with the positive, and the superlative by using the adverb most. Okay, so beautiful. Okay, so here beautiful word. Okay, it is having more than two sound, beautiful. Okay, so you can't speak in one time. Okay, so your movement of tongue will be there, which you will not feel when you will speak red. Okay, so there is the more movement of tongue to speak beautiful and difficult. If you feel so, okay, then we have to add adverb more beautiful, most beautiful, to make the other comparative degrees. Dig- Degrees of comparison. Okay, so when the two objects are compared with each other, the later term of comparison must exclude the former. Okay, so here what they want to say that when you are comparing two adjectives, okay, with the other one, okay, the later term of comparison, okay, they not take the first one, later is the after one. Okay, former means the first one. Okay, so iron is more useful than any other metal. So whatever I have uh, spoken now, so I will just try to make it clear with the help of this example what they want to say. Iron is more useful than any other metal means when you compare, here they want to say that you are comparing iron with other metals. Okay, so it is compulsory to say other. Okay, you can't say only this, iron is more useful than any metal. So by saying other, okay, you are saying that iron is better than other metals, useful than other metals. Okay, means ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਇਰਨ ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਆ ਛੱਡ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਵਾ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਆਇਰਨ ਦਾ ਆਇਰਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੰਪੈਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ। ਤਾਂ ਆਇਰਨ ਦਾ ਕੰਪੈਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਕਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਰਨਾ ਵਾ, ਹੋਰ ਮੈਟਲਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ। ਐਕਸਕਲੂਡ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਵਾ ਛੱਡ ਦੇਣਾ। ਓਕੇ, ਦਾ ਫਾਰਮਰ, ਤਾਂ ਆਇਰਨ ਨੂੰ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਨਕਲੂਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ। ਸੋ ਐਕਸਕਲੂਡ ਇਜ਼ ਦ ਆਪੋਜ਼ਿਟ ਆਫ ਇਨਕਲੂਡ। ਓਕੇ, so comparatives followed by to। ਓਕੇ, ਸੋ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾਤਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਕਿ ਹਾਂ ਦੈਨ ਯੂਜ਼ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਵਾ। ਓਕੇ, ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੰਪੈਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਓਕੇ, ਸੋ the following comparatives that end in or are followed by to instead of then. Okay, so when to use to instead of then, when your comparative words, so she is inferior. So you can't say that inferior than Nisha. So when or is there, okay, then you should think that I have to avoid then, okay, and I have to use to. She is inferior to Nisha in intelligence. Okay, superior again, or our goods are superior to those coming from abroad. Junior again, junior to senior, senior to prior, okay, prior to the First World War. Okay, prior means pehla, okay, before. Now, the correct use of some adjectives. So these are the adjectives, okay, which normally confuse the students. Okay, later, later, latest, last. So later and latest, they refer to time, means they talk about time. Then later with double T, and last they refer to the position. So these example will help you. Anita arrived later than I expected. So here we are talking about the time. So keep in mind, single T one is about time and double T is about the position. We have not heard the latest news. Latest means the, we can say that the updated news. Okay. The later chapters are very short. Later means the which are the at last. Okay. So later means baad wale. Okay. So the last chapter is very interesting. So here we are talking about the position of the chapters. Okay. Now these adjectives too are those which confuses us. So here elder, older, eldest and oldest. Elder and eldest are used only for persons, not for animals. So this is the important thing which you have to keep in mind. So normally in essay writing we use it. Okay, you can use it in wrong manner. So keep in mind that elder and eldest you can use only for persons, and their use is now confined to, so in we can say that in modern grammar, okay, their use means the use of elder and eldest is only for the same family member. If you want to talk about the same family member, okay, then only you can use it elder and eldest. Elder is not used with then. Okay, you can't say that elder then, you can say elder too. Okay, then older and oldest are both persons and things, are used for both person and things. So older and oldest you can use for persons also, and you can use for things too. Joe is my elder brother. He is not my eldest brother. He is older than my sister. This is oldest temple in Goa. Okay. So then farther and further. Farther, far means distance. So farther it denotes distance and further means in addition. Okay. Calcutta is farther from the equator than Colombo. I must have a reply without further delay. Okay. So further means additional, more delay. Okay, then nearest and next. Nearest denotes distance and next denotes the position. Okay, Mumbai is the port nearest to Kochi. My friend lives in the next house. Okay, so now degree of comparisons. Okay, positive degree. Okay, so this already we have discussed. Okay, but let's see what is the difference than the earlier explanation. When two persons or things are said to be equal in respect of some quality, means when the two person having the same quality, okay, then we use the positive degree. Okay, how James is as clever as Harry. Okay, so both are of having the same quality. Comparative degree. comparative adjective are followed by then when opposition is implied, and they are followed by of when selection is meant. Okay, when there is comparison means in the term of opposition, Amar is wiser than, so here is the competition that who is wiser. Okay, then we use then. If we want to do the selection, we want to choose one, then we say Amar is wiser of the two, so out of two we have selected Amar. Okay, so these are the ways to, okay, use the comparative degree in different ways. When two persons or things are compared with each other, we must use the word other to exclude the former. So here the same thing as earlier we discussed. Ashok was wiser than any other king. So there was the example of iron is the useful metal. Okay. So here we can't say, here they have made it more clear. We must not say Ashoka was wiser than any king. Okay, so you must use other. Okay, so superlative degree. When a person or thing is said to surpass all other person. Okay, surpass means we can say that the person is who above the all other one. Okay, then we use the superlative degree. Okay, this boy is the most intelligent of all. Okay, so now this is very important from the point of view of exams. Okay, because the assignments which you will get today are related to this thing only. It is possible to change the degree of comparison of an adjective or adverb in sentence without changing its meaning. Okay, so two things I will make you clear, dear students. Okay, you have to keep in mind. So first of all, let's discuss these examples. No other metal is as valuable as gold. Okay, so when we use positive degree, we use as. Okay, keep in mind the structure of the sentences. Okay, now we have to change without changing the meaning of this sentence, just we have to change the degree. Gold is more valuable than any other metal, so don't forget to use other. Okay, you can't say any metal, any other metal. Okay, gold is the most valuable of all the metals. Okay, so these three sentences are same meaning wise, but degree wise they are different. Ashoka was one of the greatest kings. Okay, Ashoka was greater than most other kings. Very few kings were as great as Ashoka. So the main thing which I'm going to discuss with you, dear students, if you compare these two sentences, okay, here comparison is with other metals. Okay, and here comparison is with the best one. Ashoka is one of the greatest king. If it is there, you have to choose one of the best, one from the best. Okay, means ਇੱਕ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਮਹਾਨ ਰਾਜਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਸੀਗਾ। ਓਕੇ, ਤਾਂ ਰਾਜਾ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਮਹਾਨ, ਅਸ਼ੋਕ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਮਹਾਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ। ਓਕੇ, ਮੀਨਸ ਇਸ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸ ਦੇ ਅਕੋਰਡਿੰਗ ਇਸ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਹਾ ਗਿਆ ਕਿ ਹਾਂ ਉਹ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਸੀ। ਓਕੇ, ਜਦੋਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੋਵੇ ਉਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਵੈਰੀ ਫਿਊ ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਓਕੇ, ਤਾਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾਤਰ ਬੱਚੇ ਕੀ ਆ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਵੈਰੀ ਫਿਊ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਲੱਗਣਾ ਵਾ। ਓਕੇ, ਤੇ ਅਦਰ ਐਂਡ ਆਲ ਥੀਸ ਮੈਟਲਸ, ਓਕੇ, ਇਹ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਲੱਗਣਾ ਵਾ, ਨੋ ਅਦਰ ਤੇ ਵੈਰੀ ਫਿਊ ਇਹ ਕਦੋਂ ਲੱਗਣਾ ਵਾ। ਓਕੇ, ਤਾਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਬਹੁਤਿਆਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੋਵੇ। ਓਕੇ, ਓਕੇ, ਮੀਨਸ ਸੇਮ ਹੈਗੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੋਵੇ। ਓਕੇ, ਤਾਂ ਵੈਰੀ ਫਿਊ ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ। ਓਕੇ, ਅਗਰ ਸਿੰਪਲ ਕੰਪੈਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੋਵੇ ਕਿ ਹਾਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਰਗਾ ਹੋਰ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ, ਫਿਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੋ ਅਦਰ ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਓਕੇ, ਸੋ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੈਰੀ ਫਿਊ ਆ ਜਾਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਵਨ ਆਫ ਦਾ ਗ੍ਰੇਟੈਸਟ ਕਰ ਦੇਣਾ ਵਾ। ਅਗਰ ਵਨ ਆਫ ਦਾ ਗ੍ਰੇਟੈਸਟ ਆ ਉੱਥੇ ਵੈਰੀ ਫਿਊ ਲਗਾ ਦੇਣਾ ਵਾ। ਓਕੇ, ਤਾਂ ਕੰਪੈਰੇਟਿਵ ਡਿਗਰੀ ਉਸਦੀ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਬਣੇਗੀ, than the most other kings. Okay, so in assignment you will get similar sentences. Okay, so try to solve in the same manners. Okay, so these are the same examples. Okay, so you can identify yourself only, you can understand yourself only. Okay, so these are the assignments which you will get, okay, in your smart study app. Okay, so try to solve these two. Okay, and students, keep in mind that this work is extremely important. Okay, so don't neglect it. Okay, so try to do it, okay, without any kind of delay. So this is the end of the lecture. Okay, so hope so that you be able to solve the assignments, okay,